So the last thing I'm doing now is to fold the 2 inches. Remember, it is 2 inches that is on top for the folding. So I'm going to fold it inward. Then I'll tuck it in a bit like this. Then I'll sew it down, and I'm going to leave a little space that I'll use to insert my elastic. Do you understand? So let me sew the waist before I get my elastic to insert into it. One thing you can do to make it easier for you is to pin it down. Okay, my palazzo trouser is almost done. The last thing is to insert this 1-inch elastic. So how do I know what to use? I'll place it on it like this, the waistline on it like this. Then you can see, place it on it like this from the edge. Can you see? From the edge, just lay it on the waist, the waist of the trouser on the elastic. Then add 5 inches to it. Can you see? I added 5 inches to it. Then I'm gonna cut. That's how I'll know the length of the elastic to use. So now, what I'll do now, get your pin. Make sure you have your pin. Then you can remember we left a space, so you will use that space, and then you tuck in the elastic. You do it round. balance it out. Make sure it is not twisted. Make sure it is not twisted. So what I'll do, I'll take it to the machine, then I'll sew this place together. So I've sewn it, so I can allow it now to go inside the waist. You can see. So the little space that I left for the elastic, I'm going to seal it back, and that will be the end, the very end. Don't sew the elastic with it. Okay, my palazzo trouser is done. I hope you make your own and it will be fine like this too. Can you see it? I really don't need to iron this because it's a fabric that shakes. So I'm gonna rock it with a navy blue or cream or white top, and it's gonna look so nice. So let me know when you make your own, tag me so I can see what you make for yourself. Alright, that's the end of the tutorial.